Oh my god, what's the maid gonna say if she sees this? Hey, what the hell, duck? I didn't do anything. That's okay. Let's take it to the cemetery and bury it. Am I reading Japanese or English? What the hell? Where the hell are you going? We gotta bury the duck. Okay. You'll be okay. Yeah. Good night, bitch. Okay, so I'm gonna do your favor. So I'm just gonna show my titties to you. Oh my god, your titties! They're bigger than my daughter's! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! What the hell is that? Oh my god! Shit on my face! Oh god, he puked! Just because of my boobies? Oh my god. I'm gonna get a gun and kill it. Danger! I'm gonna kill it! I mean kill him, yeah. God. What the? Where the hell's the chainsaw? Where's my chainsaw? Someone took it, huh? Who are you? Oh my god! So it was you who took my chainsaw! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Ah! Oh, what the hell? How do you know how to do that gun? Oh, I love you. Oh fuck. Uh-oh, there's more coming. No, my grave. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna cut this shit. I got 2 bullets. Oh, I'm gonna be scared. It's gonna be scary. Where's that chainsaw made, bitch? Yo! Oh, whoa. Oh, god! In your face. Oh, god, my mouth. Oh, my god, my mouth. Oh, god, my face. My beautiful face. Oh, my eye. Ow, my face. Ow, my eye. Ha, you got no eye, bitch. Oh, shit, there's more. What happened? Oh, god, help me. Help me. Hey, look, there's a zombie in the window. Don't worry, he's not gonna get in. Oh, shit. Hey, girl, can you give me the fucking gas? Sure, okay. Oh, God. Oh, God, I'm gonna die. Here's the chainsaw. Oh, my God. You guys are gonna die. Slow motion. Whoa. Yeah, you're gonna get cooked. You're gonna get cooked, bitch. Oh! Ow! My eye! Oh, you're so gross! Son of a bitch, I want revenge! Ow, my back! Fuck you! Fuck you! Yeah, yeah. Ah! Ah! There's a oh my god, it's gonna eat me! Stay away from me, you fucking... Oh shit! Ow! Ow! The fire! Ow! Ow! Fucking bitch! Oh my god, the ugly! Oh my god, the ugly baby! Well, that's it. Your baby is gonna die. Ow! I said your baby's gonna die! I can't take it anymore! Well, I can't take it anymore! I'm gonna hit you with this shit! Fucking bitch! I'm tired of you guys now. I'm dead. Oh my god, chainsaw maid. Alright, I'm gonna be the next chainsaw maid. I'm gonna kill this bitch! I mean, that's gonna cost you. Chainsaw maid 2.